Good afternoon, everyone. Today I want to talk to you about my daily routine, my studies, my hobby, and my personal preference. I'm using the simple present tense because it's my real life. I'm a police officer and I also study law at university. My job is very demanding, but I enjoy serving my community. I police officer responsibility is to protect people and maintain order. My boss's interactions are always clear, and the support of my team helps my every day. I usually get up at 5 in the morning. I shower, get dressed, and have a coffee. Sometimes I eat an egg and bread, but I don't eat anything heavy in the morning. After breakfast, I go to the police station. I usually drive my patrol car. At working, I write repost, talk to people, and help solve problems. I always pay afternoon to daily because my job is serious. In the afternoon, I go to university. I attend classes, read books, and take notes. My professor's explanations are very helpful, and my classmates' questions make me think. I usually study in the library and sometimes prepare present shows. I don't have much free time, but I love learning. In the evening, I go home. My family's support is important to me. My have eat dinner together almost every day. Dinner usually consists of rice, chicken, and vegetables. Sometimes might have soup and sometimes pasta. I like eating at restaurant, but I don't go every of because it's expensive. James A. Dugu. I prefer Italian food. I love eating pizza and drinking lemonade. I hate fast food because it not healthy. In the evening and relax. I listen to music, watch television, or read a big book. I often to my classmates about our work and sometimes I share my ideas with my family. I always try to balance my studies, my work, and my personal life.